is really messy because of my new desk coming in and stuff. Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Today we're reassembling our 6x6. I'm not going to be recording anything except for the 6x6 stuff because I really need this assembled, and then I can go over to the other requests for 100 subs. So yeah, I'm trying a new editing way, and well, I'm just testing out stuff now. A new camera angle, as you can see. But yeah, we have to get into this assembly of the 6x6. First I have to find out how to actually do it, and it looks like some pieces fell out, but that's just the external ones, which I already know how to do. Okay, so we should just get into this before anything bad happens. And yeah, let's get into the video. One group of edges complete, and corners obviously. I'm actually skipping a step, but I finished this next layer and now I just have to put the internals in there. So if you didn't know yet, I'm following CubeSub Hero's 4x4 tutorial. So I'm basically pretending they're two internals, and one big internal means one small internal and one big internal. But yeah, and it's going pretty well except for this part where you have to put two internals here and it's really fiddly, but I'll get it. Alright, cool, I got it. So I got the internal to go in there. Up, as you can see, trying to put in the center. We'll see what I can do. I put the bracket back in. Oh, we got the centers done. Second part done. So the second last face is almost done and it's almost nighttime. Gravity is sometimes really annoying. I can't put in the internal for this because then this one will pop out when I'm trying to put it on this video. Yeah, you'll see. As you can see from the time lapse, this piece would not budge in, and I'm trying my best. So yeah. I finally got it. Now this may look like the final piece, but yeah, we have much more to do. But I guess we can finish off this last piece. And that concludes part 3. Part 4 is going to be finishing off the cube, and then we have our whole 6x6 done, and then we can solve it and we're all good. I hope you guys enjoyed, and see ya!